Thank you for joining us tonight. Our investigative team has confirmed that SSM Health has recently stopped providing all gender-affirming surgeries previously done at its aesthetic center in Middleton. Now, this comes after the Catholic Church has ramped up pressure this year on all Catholic healthcare organizations, including SSM Health, to stop this type of gender-affirming care. Our Catherine Merck shows us how we reported this story. Catherine.
SSM Health isn't commenting on this story, so we've confirmed this information through a number of different sources. One of those people is a Madison teen who was planning a surgery on his journey to becoming his true self.
I'm 16. I go to West High School.
I met Ollie at his dad's restaurant with the same name, but that wasn't always the case. The name change was made after Ollie came out as transgender.
He got my help, and we made a restaurant that was like me, and he named it after me again.
Ollie says the restaurant's new identity has been critical as he experienced his own gender dysphoria.
There's just sort of a disappointment of seeing yourself in the mirror and it's just not you.
He and his parents decided to pursue gender-affirming surgery at SSM Health.
I had like a countdown on my phone. I was like counting down the days. I was so excited.
It was a day nearly 5 years in the making until
we went to my pre-op consultation, and as we were getting in the car to go over there, we got a phone call saying that it had been canceled.
We've confirmed that SSM Health has stopped all gender-affirming surgeries. That's according to multiple SSM Health employees who have direct knowledge of the change. We're not naming them to protect their jobs. Because SSM Health declined to comment when we contacted them, we also decided to call the clinic ourselves to understand what the public is being told. We changed the voice of the person who answered because they didn't know they were talking to media. I'm looking to speak with somebody to ask some questions about gender-affirming surgery options at SSM.
Unfortunately, we are no longer accepting new patients for gender-affirming surgeries. We are in the process of actually discontinuing those services at SSM Health.
Why is that?
It's because we're like a Catholic healthcare organization.
The U.S. Conference of Catholic Bishops voted in June to start a process that would stop Catholic healthcare organizations from doing these kind of surgeries. We also contacted Madison Bishop Don Hine. He couldn't interview, but sent us a 14-page guidance document passed by the Conference of Bishops in March, telling healthcare organizations to stop this kind of care.
And for Pride Month, we did these fun Pride-themed drink umbrellas.
Ollie says his surgery is rescheduled at a different hospital. Despite the change with SSM Health, he says he's following the restaurant's footsteps in a society that doesn't always agree with him.
Coming out as trans, I knew that it's not easy. You know that it's never going to be like a completely accepting world.
In this process, he's found his own identity.
You find the community that is supportive, and you hold on to them, and you make sure that you fight for the other people who are with you.
This also comes after the Washington Post reported last month that a national group of conservative doctors had pressured SSM Health in 2017 to change their policies. For more on that, read our investigation by Naomi Coles and I on channel3000.com. For this News 3 investigation, I'm Catherine Merck.